Hi! In front of me is Realme 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, access settings and scroll down. Now you need to tap on additional settings, keyboard and the input method, and finally keyboard. From here, click on theme and tap on show more to see all available ones. When you're ready, you can pick one of those images. Click at the chosen one and tap on the switcher next to key borders to enable or disable them. Then select apply. You can do the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!